As James Clear tells, his buddy Drew was an excellent weightlifter. He worked directly with Olympians and routinely delivered Olympic weightlifting seminars through his work. One day, him and Drew were in the gym when he told them about a group of athletes he was training. The athletes wanted to get stronger, and Drew had designed a program to help them do just that. When he checked back a few weeks later, Drew found out that very few of them had stuck to the program. Instead, most of them had returned to endurance training. Now, the athletes were frustrated because they still weren't getting stronger. Drew finished telling the story by saying, "I looked at them and said, when you want to cook something, do you follow the recipe? Of course you do. If you want to bake a cake, then bake the damn cake. Don't cook a chicken and yell at it for not being a fish. You say you want to get stronger, but are you following a recipe that will get you there? You say you want to lose weight, but are you following a recipe that will get you there? You get the idea." Now, I'm not a fan of doing the same thing over and over again when it doesn't work. If it's a bad recipe, why cook it twice? But there's a big difference between a bad recipe and an unfinished recipe. The truth is, like the athletes in the story, you and I often change course halfway through the recipe and never give ourselves the chance to see results. Examples include working out for a month and then trying something new because quote-unquote this isn't working for me. Or jumping from a project to a project, half finishing all of them and completing none of them. Or mapping out a business idea, working on it for a week or two, and then putting it on the shelf because things got busy. You have to be patient enough to finish the recipe if you want to see the results. Give your success time to cook. Follow the recipe and finish something. Alright kings, if you found this video helpful, please help me make better videos by sharing your thoughts and ideas down in the comments below. Thanks.